Worried about the Cfgmgr32.dll causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we get into the manual guide for Cfgmgr32, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This DLL file is the Configuration Manager library for Windows. It provides essential API functions for hardware device installation and configuration, allowing the OS to manage physical hardware resources on PC. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of the Cfgmgr32.dll. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Cfgmgr32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Be aware that manual fixes for the Cfgmgr32.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the Cfgmgr32. If your workstation is back online and the Cfgmgr32 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.